seen her hair.
What are they, Ken? What are they?
Paw print!
Oh my gosh. Turn it out there.
What paw print are they?
What are they? Oh my gosh, I see blue and pink.
Maybe they're from the Easter Bunny.
Oh, you better, what do you do?
There are paw prints in the bathroom.
There are?
Uh-huh. Look.
Oh my gosh.
He must walk in there.
Where did he go?
Looks like he...
I think, Noah,
He left.
Noah, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Or where do you think you need to go?
That one.
I don't know. I think they're coming out of your room. Where do you go?
In here. Blue.
I think you follow him.
Kinley,
He went that way, Noah.
follow the paw prints.
No. No.
She's-
They're walking there.
He went that way.
Didn't?
Noah, come here. Look.
Look what's under the table.
Pink, though. I think for Kinley. I think you got to follow the blue one.
But where's mine?
Follow the blue paw print. Noah, follow him.
Deal.
Where do they go to? Look at your feet.
Yeah. Yeah. Mine.
Oh my gosh.
It's so heavy.
What is it?
Can I open it? Ooh, a lot of stuff.
Come here, Ken. Follow your paw print.
Kite. I love my kite.
Look, Ken.
Look, Mom,
Look.
I got
Look,
my
follow the
own
paw print.
Follow your bunny print.
I got my own kite, Mom.
Follow your bunny print.
Mom, see, Mommy? I got my kite.
No way, Jose.
Right there.